Hello, friends, welcome back to EBS with another important and informative video. So, today we are going to learn about the complete information or the basic information about the active power, or sometimes we are calling it as a real power or true power. So, I will request you all to watch this video till the end because this video is going to be very important for you guys. And if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get the videos like this. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting much time. So let's start. So first of all, let's see what is the definition of active power. So the definition of active power is telling that it is the power consumed due to the resistive loads. That means the power which is consumed by the resistive load in our home or in any plant or in the industries, that is nothing but that is the active power, the power which is consumed by the resistive load in the system, that is known as the active power or real power. Okay, so the another names of active powers are some other names of active powers are useful power, or sometimes we are calling it as worthful power, and it is real power or true power. These are the other names of active power. Okay, so active power actually does the real work in the circuit and always flows from source to the load. Okay, so this is the main point about the active power. It supplies the real power or actual power to the load for the running of appliances. Okay, for the running of the appliances, it is always ready to supply the power or the actual power. Okay, so now let's talk about what is the units of real power or active power. So the units of active power are watts, or sometimes it is kilowatts. Okay, so for the higher range of power, that will be in kilowatt, and for the majority range of the power, that will be watts. Okay, so this power is useful for running of the motors, or sometimes for the lights and other devices to produce the useful work or heat energy. Okay, so it is generally used to produce the useful work in the system, so that's why it is sometimes called as useful power. Okay, so it is responsible for the resistive part of the circuit that performs the work. Okay, so the main thing about the active power or the real power you must have to remember is that real power or the active power is generally applicable for the resistive loads. Okay, so in the resistive loads, the work of the active power is generally shown, and also this active power is very important for the consuming of the resistive load in the system or in the circuit. So this is the main point about the active power. So now finally let's see the formula for active power or the real power. Okay, so the real power or the active power is denoted as P. Okay, so P is the denotation of the active power, and P is equal to VI cos phi is the formula for the active power. So here P is the representation of the true power, and V is the voltage measured, and the I is the current value in the circuit. Okay, and cos phi, here cos phi is a very important part of the real power or the active power. Why? Because cos phi is equal to the power factor. It is the nothing but it is the power factor of the system. Okay, so here phi is the angle between the V and I. So in the next videos we will talk about the power factor, because power factor is having a great role in the power or in the power system. Whole system is having the power factor. The role of power factor is very important in the system, in the electrical system, so that's why it is very important. Okay, so in the next videos we will talk in more about the power factor. So see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching this